Go.
Okay, I know, I got something.
Fritz, this video is all about Fritz. Whoa. That's it? That's it? More. We need more Fritz.
He's bringing Fritz back. Let's go. Stop.
Everybody loves your dancing.
Stop it.
No, that doesn't work because Spider-Man sucks.
No.
Go, continue. I like that thing where you move your head. You need to be sideways. You need to be sideways. Go.
Bobby Joe, could you hold that? Because I can't hear her giving me some numbers and I need to complete.
Go.
The breaks are already due and I'm already having a traffic back here, so we need a break. 33, 86.